Just finished a meeting and getting the wife's car insured. I tend to kind of like to try to do something fun once a day. DQ is doing their blizzard for charity, if you will. I can't remember the exact term that they use, but we are going to catch up and the wife and I are gonna have some blizzards. It's my better half.
Hi.
Okay. So we come to do is we come to be good Samaritans and give away free Dairy Queen.
I'll have you all know that I don't know what's going on. He just told me to meet him here, and I was on site across the road.
Listen, if you can have fun, at least have fun with your wife.
Yeah.
It's a good thing Daniella isn't there.
Listen. Hi, Dawn.
Hey, what's happening?
What you doing?
So what we can do is we definitely use ladies blizzards and then we're gonna give away like just 10 blizzards at random to people.
For me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Y'all want blizzards? Y'all want blizzards? Y'all get blizzards? Okay, so give me all their blizzards and then probably like the next of you come to the Hey, we're giving away free blizzards there now, I can. So we contributed to the cause.
Oh, the miracle birthday, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
So everybody in Dairy Queen got a visit, and then we donated to Miracle Treat Day.
That's perfect.
Medium Oreo? Yeah, the pecan and the guava.
Enjoy.
Yes,
Enjoy it.
We are so grateful for this. This is nice. Nice gift. Really nice. Yes, thank you, honey. Yes, yes. Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Thank you, dear.
You excited about your ice cream? I see you there. She was dancing.
Oh yeah, Island Bahamas.
Fine. So we can. Y'all enjoy.
Have fun. Very nice to meet you all.
Thank you. You could rest it there for me. I got too much camera in my eye.